I'm Ron from Kolleno, the leading suite app to chase, collect, and reconcile your invoices. I'm here to guide you through assigning billing schedules to individual line items within your transactions. Customizing these options can allow you more flexibility in managing customer payments over time, directly for each item in a sales order or online order form. So to assign a billing schedule to line items on a transaction, you'll first need to customize your transaction forms so that the billing schedule column displays for each item. So we'll go to Customization, Forms, Transaction Forms. So then we need to choose the form to customize. So let's choose one. I will choose here the standard sales order. I will now rename that one to a billing schedule sales order. The name will show up in the custom form dropdown on transactions. Then you need to display the billing schedule in the sublist field. So in the sublist fields subtab here, we will check the box show next to a billing schedule. So let's look for it. Billing schedule here, perfect. So we'll click on show. This ensures that the billing schedule column appears in your transaction view. Then we need to enable billing schedule in print and email views. So for that, first, if you want to do it, you need to change the printing type to basic, and then you will have that printing field subtab. And in that subtab, you will see the columns here. And we need to look again for the billing schedule, and we need to check the box. So it will show up when printing or emailing the transaction. We then save the custom form to apply these changes. Now, when you select this custom form in transaction, you'll have the option to apply a unique billing schedule to each line items. And if this tutorial is helpful, please do not forget to hit the subscribe button for more insights and tips. So now we need to look, once your custom form is ready, what to do to assign a billing schedule to a specific line item on a sales order. So we'll go to Transactions, Sales, enter Sales Order. So in the custom form field here, we will look for the billing schedule sales order that you just created to show line item billing schedules. And then it's all the things as you know as usual, except if you have additional fields like you see on this custom form. So I will not go too much into it, although you would have, for example, the start date, which is the date of the first invoice. If you leave it blank, the first billing date defaults to the date of the sales order. What I'm interested in is to go into the items subtab, and if the item already has a billing schedule assigned to it, the schedule will autofill in the billing schedule columns, which you can find here. You see we created it. So you can also manually select a default billing schedule if needed. You click add as usual, you save your sales order, and that's it. You now know how to apply billing schedules to individual line items, giving you precise control over how each product or service is billed on your transactions. Thank you for watching.